Alright, this video is going to be a quick video. Nissan 370Z. This is a 2019. Should work on all your 370s. On your key fob, when you're locking and unlocking the doors, when you unlock, normally the lights flash. You lock it, they flash, and the horn beeps. In this case, my horn's not beeping. To turn this feature on and off, you press the lock and unlock buttons at the same time. You hold it, the horn beeps a couple times, the lights flash. Now when you unlock it, you get one flash. You lock it, you get two flashes with a horn beeping. Again, to turn that off, you press and hold lock and unlock at the same time. Wait for the vehicle to flash at you, and now you can lock your vehicle without the horn beeping. This comes in real handy if you're coming in late at night, or if you forget to lock your vehicle, you want to reach out the window or look out the window and lock it. You don't have to worry about the horn beeping and waking up the neighbors. Hope everyone liked the video. Please click on like and subscribe.